Okay, hi guys. Welcome to Edna and Bright YouTube channel. Please, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will keep watching our lifestyle. Thank you so much. So, baby girl, meet my baby Estelle. I said, can you bless the food? Let's eat.
No, stop playing.
Yes, pray.
No, stop playing.
You have already prayed. Okay, can you pray again?
No, I don't want to play again.
She said she don't want to pray again. You have prayed before. Can you pray again, please?
Amen.
Amen. Guys, so join us. We are eating tomato stew with turkey and beef as protein. We have turkey, we have beef. Then white rice. We have our water here. And we're giving you.
No.
What do you want? If you don't want to, what do you want? Guys, she says she don't want to eat. I eat only this one. Only this one. How do you manage to feed a child that don't want to eat? Should I force her to eat? Sit down. One. If I can't three. If I count one. You guys, you see? If that's her high tone, she won't listen. You go to your food now. Mm.
My house is safe. It's quiet.
My teeth. And I have tooth egg. I just mistakenly bite that side. I'll be posting video on how I made this stew, and this stew is very tasty. It's very, very tasty. Sam, did you want me to raise this?
It's me. Huh?
This glass cup is not raised. So let's drink like this.
I'm finished.
You finished? So sweet. Make sure you watch the next video I'll post on this. The video is not perfect because I didn't do the video nice, but get the message and try it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be ending the video here because I don't want it to be so lengthy that you cannot finish it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for coming by. I love you.